guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I thought I would sit down and go through my favorite Amazon finds for cleaning. For me, I've never been a person that's been super into cleaning or very good at it, so today I wanted to share all those things that I found on Amazon through the years that have helped. Big things like vacuums, carpet cleaners, things like that, but also like smaller things, like things I use when my dogs have accidents and all the white stuff you see, for the kitchen, for cleaning wine glasses. I have a good variety of things and a good like range of price points, so I'm super excited to get into it. I have everything listed here and I will show you how they work in action. Everything will be linked down below. I also have an entire tab over on my Amazon shop with everything I'm going to share today, but even more things. If you have any tips, any suggestions, any item that has made cleaning your house for you easier, please let us know in the comments, because I would love for this to turn into a helping each other out conversation. Like I said, if you see something and you're like, oh my god, Philo, that's gross, or you're doing that the wrong way, please let me know, willingly admitting that I'm not good at it. So that's all I have to say. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and let's get into it. I feel really bad for gatekeeping this find. I've had it since the last Prime Day. I got it on sale and it's one of my all-time favorite things. I would say one of my top least favorite chores is mopping. I always leave it to my husband up until I found this. I used to have a Swiffer. I think the liquid is so expensive and so are the pads. It's cordless, so you recharge it and it lasts so long, and you add the liquid as you would with a Swiffer. Y'all, it's incredible. It leaves our kitchen floor spotless. These mop slippers, you basically put them around your shoes when you're mopping to not leave any marks. It's so ridiculous, pretty unnecessary, but y'all, it has made worlds of a difference when it comes to mopping. Whether I'm using the Swiffer one or I'm using something else, it just really helps. Okay, let's talk about one of the most essential things in this household, because not only do I have white couches, light colored furniture, light colored rugs, and I have a messy child, and I have 3 messy dogs. Something I use probably once a week, if not more, is this vacuum for your carpet. It's one of those wet vacuums. It's specifically for rugs and carpets. It works really well, but my favorite part about it is that I have an upholstery cleaner, the Bissell green machine. It's great. I swear by it, especially to clean my car, Olivia's car seat, little dirty spots on carpet. The little green machine was outside, so I decided to try out a feature that I haven't tried out on the big vacuum, the Hoover vacuum. I cannot believe I've never used this thing. It has completely changed my life. It's more powerful than the Bissell. I can just finish cleaning the carpet and then spot clean whatever I need to clean. The brush is the perfect size to really get in there, and it just sucks more. It's like just more powerful than the Bissell one. If you've been subscribed to me for more than like 6 months, you're probably so tired of hearing me talk about this mini vacuum. So powerful, and it comes in handy. I mean, after this video you'll see that I have probably like 6 vacuums in this household, and I still use this one the most, just to clean little spots in the kitchen, to clean cupboards and cabinets and little hard to reach places, even in the windowsill that I'm staring at right now that I really should clean. Little things like that. It's just really powerful. The little attachments are perfect to clean your car, and my husband and I use it every single day. Another thing that I've talked about, it was a 2022 bestseller, is this pack of glass cleaning cloths. I use it on my mirrors and it works seamlessly. All you need is a little bit of water. You start rubbing it and you see the smudges go away without the need of Windex or anything like that. This quick. Highly recommend. If you're still using Windex, please stop, buy this instead. And then this is the same idea as a glass cleaning cloth, but for stainless steel appliances. As you can see, we have some stains here, so let me show you. Hopefully y'all are gonna be able to see. But yeah, all you need is water. You can always go in with a cleaner if it's like a deeper stain, but usually they work pretty well. We have very expensive wine glasses from Crate and Barrel. They're like one of my pride and joys. I love them. They're like Olivia Pope style wine glasses. I was googling what to use for like delicate glassware, and I found this pack off Amazon. It comes with 2 different brush heads for different sizes, but it also comes with like a flexible one to clean the wine decanter, which I think it's what we've been missing, honestly. It's like $12. You get 3 brushes, and it's something that I didn't know I needed, and now that we have it, we love it. This one helps to clean the bathroom sinks, the pull-out bathroom faucets for the sink. Having this has been such a game changer. I know it will once Olivia starts like using the sinks and stuff even more. When that dish shaves, there's always little hairs everywhere, and I love taking that thing and just going to town. We have changed every single bathroom sink faucet to those. 2020, the pink stuff was constantly at the top of the bestsellers list, and I bought it back then, and I think it's a great cleaning product, but it only, in my opinion, works on rust oven. Dante had like a grill back in the day that we would clean that with, things like that, and it takes a lot of manpower. Like you have to really scrub it down to actually get it to work. On that note, I guess we can transition into another find, is this electric scrubbing brush. Incredible, 10 out of 10. It cuts my cleaning time in half. It charges so quick. The battery lasts forever. It comes with different heads, so you can clean the toilet, you can clean grout or tile, you can clean the floors. I cannot tell you how many times I've cleaned the kitchen floors using that because of Olivia's food falling on the floor. This is one of my favorite cleaning gadgets, and it's one of the most unique ones. Like my mom, for example, had never heard of something like this. It's so useful if you have a lot of tile or hard to reach spaces that get really dirty. Y'all, ever since I dyed my hair red or like copper, and I self-tan way more now, my shower gets so gross, especially the grout. So I am exposing myself and sharing this with y'all because it works wonders. It comes with different brush head attachments, but right now I'm just using a grout scrubbing brush that I also got on Amazon that I'll link below. But if you haven't gotten one of these, you need to. I don't know if you're gonna consider this to be a cleaning product, but it helps me not clean as much, so it makes my job easier. This microwave cover that has these magnetic attachments. Whenever you're not using it or you don't need it, you can pull it up to the top of the microwave. Unfortunately, our microwave doesn't have metal up there. It has like a plastic cover, so ours doesn't work like that. We were constantly deep cleaning our microwave, and now we don't have to do that. Okay, my all-time favorite laundry stain remover. Once again, going back to having a lot of white things in our house, but also wearing a lot of light colored clothes. This Grandma's laundry stain remover. I've tried OxyClean, I've tried so many. I've tried the little pens, nothing. The Grandma one is the way to go. Do yourself a favor and get it. And then another thing for the laundry, since we're here, is this set of magnetic little bins for your dryer to put lint, but also it comes with this little cleaning brush, so I guess it is a cleaning product, so you can clean filter. Also, this is just a PSA because I saw it on TikTok the other day. Make sure you're cleaning your dryer vent that goes outside, because it is one of the top fire hazards, house fires in America. Most people don't know, so please do it. It's supposed to be super easy if you do it with a drill attachment. I'll link it on Amazon, but please do it. Just better to be safe than sorry. Okay, let's talk about the robot vacuum that I have. I've tried, I want to say 3 or 4 different brands of Amazon. I have 2 of them. I have one without the self-emptying station and one that's just like a regular vacuum that also has a mop attachment. 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're extremely expensive, definitely an investment. I would wait until Prime Day or Black Friday, but if you have pets, if you are a very busy person, it's just such a game changer. It really saves you so much time. It maps out your house. It has a really nice app that you can, you know, put it to work even if you're not at home. So the vacuum we have is the Dyson V7 or V8. I have a review coming up in an upcoming favorites video, but something I did get from Amazon for the Dyson is this pack of accessories. Ours only came with 1 head, and I felt like I needed more, which is crazy if you think about the price. So you can buy these kits off Amazon that comes with so many more attachments for like 20 bucks. So I wanted to recommend, just in case any of you have the Dyson and are looking for a few more little attachments to make cleaning a little bit easier, especially for the couch. These are great. Okay, let's talk about the sink situation. I have a few cleaning favorites. I just cleaned it for y'all. We have this. This is a foldable drying rack for dishes. I think this is an essential no matter how big your kitchen is. So small, and being able to put it away. There's nothing that I personally dislike more than those big bulky drying racks. This is very inexpensive and it comes in all sorts of sizes depending on the size of your sink. And we have this sponge holder that I love. It grosses me out so much when the sponge can touch the bottom of the sink. This is like $9. It comes in different finishes. I know Scrub Daddy sells one specifically for these, but it's not the only sponge we use, so I wanted to have the option, and it just looks really nice and sleek. Like, we just hide it. When we renovated our kitchen, we did quartz countertops, and they're the Calacata. This is what we use to clean them. First, I purchased this one off Amazon, and then I found this one at Marshall's for like half the price. Where's the price tag? Yeah, like $5. I think you could use anything because it's not a porous surface, but we just wanted to make sure like we weren't gonna ruin them, so this is what we use. And it's like a pretty good cleaner, this one specifically, but this one doesn't have any antibacterial properties and this one does, so we usually kind of mix and match. But this whole brand, Wine Man, oh god, that was not English, it's really good. And it doesn't take much scrubbing to get it all off, which is pretty nice, and it smells good. It smells like lemony. My dogs are very territorial, like they both have to pee after each other. Since Olivia was born, they decided that they needed to mark every inch of this house. You can tell how extremely fun that has been for me. Extremely fun. I just absolutely love it. So I've tried so many of these solutions for the vacuum itself, but also just to like spray. This one by far is the one that works the best. It actually makes them stop smelling that specific spot because of the essential oils. I hate how it smells though, so you win some, you lose some. Like, it works, but it smells terrible in your house. The Hoover, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Hoover, it works great. I recently ordered one from OxyClean. I will let you guys know how that works. I've tried truly everything, so if y'all have one that you really love that really gets those stains out, please let me know. One moment, my dogs are about to bark. Like the palm of my hand. If only he would tell me when he's gonna pee when he's not supposed to. That would be great. See, I'm a bad boy, but I'm so cute. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. There's nothing I love more than going through TikToks of like cleaning products, cleaning favorites, because even though most of them aren't super necessary, they can be so helpful and useful to have. So if you like this video, you want to see more like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Like I said, if you have any cleaning tips, cleaning hacks, or any cleaning products that I didn't mention that you swear by, or if you have some that I mentioned, let me know. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Oh, beautiful man. Say bye-bye, bunny. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, guys.